Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you've encountered the dreaded Windows boot error 0xC0000098, you're not alone. This error can prevent your system from booting up, and that's definitely frustrating. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this error and get your computer back up and running. Let's dive in. First things first, let's quickly go over what this error means. The 0xC0000098 error typically appears when there's a problem with your boot configuration data, or BCD. This can happen due to corrupted files, improper updates, or even accidental changes to the boot settings. When this happens, your computer will show a black screen with the message, "Your PC/device needs to be repaired." Run the Windows Repair Startup tool. Start your PC or laptop. When you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat the process until your device enters diagnostic mode. You will see this screen. Next, you will see this screen. These two steps were automatic. Next, on the automatic repair screen, click Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Once again, click on Advanced Options. Once again, click on Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Repair. On some machines, it may be called Automatic Repair. Once the repair has been completed, restart your device. Fix Master Boot Record, MBR. Now, let's fix the master boot record. Type this command and press Enter. bootrec/fix MBR. This command will write a new MBR, which could resolve boot issues caused by damaged system files. After that, run this final command to fix the boot sector. bootrec/fix boot. Run a clean installation. If the above methods don't work in fixing the Windows boot error 0xC0000098, you can run a clean installation that fixes this particular boot issue and other Windows errors. All the files will be wiped off when you complete a clean installation. To avoid data loss, it's recommended to perform a data backup or data recovery before processing the installation. Execute the chkdsk utility. If there are any bad sectors in the system, the Windows boot error 0xC0000098 can rise. Running a disk check can smoothly repair BCD. Enter the command prompt window. Enter the command chkdsk:/f/r/x. If any errors are detected, this check disk method will fix them automatically. That's it. Hopefully, by following these steps, you've fixed the error 0xC0000098, and your PC is booting up properly again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.